Okay, so real talk. I've tested a lot of robot vacuums, and most of them, they all kind of do the same thing. They spin around your floor, bump into your furniture, maybe miss a corner or two, and call it a day. But this is genuinely different. This is the xLean TR1, and I think it's one of the most interesting cleaning gadgets I've come across in a long time. Let me show you why. So what even is the xLean TR1? At first glance, it looks like a regular robot cleaner. Square base, a little handle sticking up. But that handle, that's the whole trick. In literally 1 second, this thing transforms from a fully autonomous robot into a handheld floor washer you can grab and use right now on whatever mess just happened. I've never seen that before. One device, two completely different ways to clean. That alone got my attention. Here's the situation it's designed for. Your robot is out doing its scheduled run. Everything's fine. Then your dog tracks mud across the kitchen, or your kid knocks over a juice box. Normally, you'd grab a second device, a mop, a stick vac, something. With the TR1, you just grab the handle, click, and you're already cleaning. It locks in instantly with an electronic latch. It's lightweight enough to use with one hand, and it genuinely moves smoothly across the floor thanks to a direct drive motor. When you're done, you place it back on the station, and the robot docks itself automatically. That's a really well thought out workflow. Now let's talk about what it actually does on the floor, because specs on paper mean nothing if the results aren't there. The TR1 runs dual rollers, both spinning at 400 revolutions per minute, combined with 17,000 Pascal suction. For context, that's a serious amount of pull. It also sprays fresh water in 16 directions per roller while it cleans, which means it's not just pushing dirty water around. It's continuously washing the floor with clean water in real time. I tested it on dry crumbs, a liquid spill, and a thicker, sticky mess, all at the same time, and it handled all three in a single pass without smearing anything. That's honestly where most robots fall apart. The TR1 didn't. But here's the part that really sets it apart. And this is what xLean calls hunting mode. Most robot cleaners follow a fixed path. They clean the whole room on a schedule, whether it's dirty or not. The TR1 actually scans the floor first, identifies where the mess is, and then goes directly to it. It's making a decision. And once it gets there, it uses a green laser dirt sensor to figure out how dirty the area actually is and adjust how hard it cleans based on that. Light dust gets a quick pass. Dried-on grime gets treated differently. It's called adaptive cleaning. And in practice, it means the robot isn't wasting time or water on areas that are already clean. On top of that, it actually learns over time. When you use it in handheld mode, it's watching how you move around furniture in tricky spaces, and it applies those patterns to get better at navigating on its own. That's reinforcement learning built into a floor cleaner. And it's genuinely clever, because most of us would never think about our cleaning style as training data. The OM&I base station is also worth talking about because self-maintenance is the thing that makes or breaks a robot cleaner long-term. Nobody wants to clean their cleaning robot every other day. After each session, the station washes the rollers with 167-degree hot water, separates solid and liquid waste automatically into different bins, and then dries everything with 149-degree hot air. It even has a dirt sensor that checks whether the rollers are actually clean. If they're not, it keeps going until they are. The whole process takes as little as 7 minutes. There are no dust bags to replace either, which save you around $120 over 3 years. It's mostly hands-off, and that matters. So here's where I land on this. The xLean TR1 isn't trying to be just another robot vacuum. It's trying to rethink how a cleaning robot should actually work. One that hunts for messes instead of waiting for a schedule, cleans smarter instead of harder, and doubles as a handheld when you need it right now. Is it perfect? It can't do carpets, so if you've got rugs all over the house, keep that in mind. But for hard floors, it's genuinely impressive.